we know that it's doing it on the molecular level.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, I noticed a difference on my face. Now, also, because it's such a wonderful product, has it been tested, and what are the results?
We did clinical tests to show that it works, and the results are going to get posted on the website so that people can read it in detail. But there was a clinical study that was done originally, and we are now doing more clinical result tests because we're seeing more results than we expected, and we're going to publish those as well.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So those are the things that we're trying to do to show that how well this works and how fast it works. Because most people, when they use it, they see results pretty quickly, but we recommend people to use it for at least 1 month before they can determine if it works for them or not.
Wonderful. Now, then you mentioned that you recommend people to use it for 1 month, and there are some people, because it's such a high-tech product and it's new, and some people ask, is there any problem from continuous usage of this product?
The product is there to maintain your skin's youthfulness. So the longer you're using it, the more benefits you're going to get because it's cumulative. So the more your cells are able to rejuvenate themselves and renew themselves, the younger you're going to look and the longer the results will last.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now, also, a lot of people ask, what is the best way to apply this serum?
The serum comes in a pre-measured pump. So every pump that you do gives you a specific measure of the product. And one of those pumps should be enough to do a face around the eyes and most of the areas that we notice the aging. If someone has a larger area that they want to treat, they can do a couple of pumps to their face to make sure they cover the whole area. I've had people use it all over their body. I mean, they've used it on their necks, they've used it on their hands, and I've seen improvements. But the majority of the changes you're going to start to see is around the eyes, and then it's going to be on the wrinkles and around the forehead and on the face. If you use more of it, nothing bad is going to happen. It doesn't have any irritation that's going to come from it, but you're going to run out of the product sooner.
That could be a beautiful thing. Now, also, in terms of the procedure, like we do have some people that use, some kind of like let's say a popular brand is like you call it Obagi or something that has some type of alpha hydroxy whatever oxide, some kind of acid.
Right.
Can they at the same time use our serum? Would it interact with any other product?
They can use the other products that they want. The main thing that they need to do with this product is to, right after they wash their face, that they put this product on. Because this product, like I said, the molecular level of the product is so small that if you put anything on beforehand, it will block it from going into the skin. So you want to put this on first, and then you can put your other products on. The other products are not going to do anything bad to this product or give you any allergic reaction or irritation. There is no acid per se in this, like Obagi's, who has, salicylic and glycolic acid in it. So those.
So by
those
using our
acids,
product with theirs, ours will not interfere anything with theirs or will not irritate anything.
No. I've had people using it with my products, with their own products, and they're fine.
Wonderful. Now, you mentioned about after you wash your face, because we do have some people after they wash their face, they use toner first. So, but you recommend after they wash their face, the first thing they put on is serum.
Depends what the toner is. If the toner is like a wipe or if it's like just a wash, it's fine. They can do the toner and then put this on. But they shouldn't put any creams or serums before this one on. So they can wash, they can do the toner, and then they can do the Luminesce.
Wonderful. So, go ahead, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
So after washing the face, I would say, even from what I'm hearing, the safest thing, the best bet is after washing my face, I put the serum because the molecular structure is so small, it gets penetrate to my skin better. Correct?
Right.
Okay,
Yes.
wonderful, wonderful. Now, we're going to move on some of the more specific questions because we do have a lot of people that send in emails, and I want to make sure those questions are answered. Now, some people that have hair removals, how soon after hair removal can someone use Luminesce?
Right after.
Wow.
This was, like I said, this was originally developed as a wound healing product. So if you have
Like a
any
wound
time,
healing product.
right. So that's how we started. We took the stem cells, we were doing wound healing, and we saw that their skin was getting better. So we can take things that we do to our skin. Let's say they do laser hair removal. They do a chemical peel. They do microdermabrasion. They do a facial. They do, they get a scrape somewhere. If they put this on, it's going to help it heal faster.
So it will help, you know, how sometimes when people do the dermabrasion or some kind of peeling, their face is red. So by using Luminesce, it actually helps diminish the redness.
Yes. The redness will go away. Their skin will get healed faster. I've had people who did peel, you know, they waxed their body or their face and they got a little burn. They put it on and healed a lot faster and a lot better.
Wow. Now, because, you know, some people when they do like a bat peel or whatever, you know, if they put the Luminesce on, would it sting their face? Would it sting?
Depends how dry or how cracked the skin is. It may sting a little bit for a few seconds, but it will heal it a lot better because once they've taken off all that layers, it's going to penetrate even deeper now and it's going to work faster. So they're going to get faster results with it.
So not only is that helps diminish the redness, it actually helps the skin to recover. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.